Welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Clownfish Voice Changer. Clownfish Voice Changer is a free and open source application that you can use for your voice manipulation, and it comes with a bunch of different voice effects,
like the male pitch,
female pitch.
You can also make yourself sound like a baby
or an alien. So to get Clownfish, head over to the official website clownfishtranslator.com. The link is in the description. To download Clownfish, hover your mouse to the top bar and click on download, and then you are going to get this new page. Right here you have different download options. You can download Clownfish for a 64-bit and a 32-bit operating system. Whichever one you are using, go ahead and hit on the option. But if you don't seem to know the bits of the system you are using, to check that you can head over to your Windows search and then search for About Your PC. Click on it to open. And down here you see the information about your system. Within the system type, I see that I am using a 64-bit operating system. So I will click on 64 bits to kick off my download. After downloading and installing Clownfish on your system, to launch it, head over to your Windows search and then search for Clownfish. And here you find the app as the best match. Click on it to open. When you launch the app, you are not going to see any interface, but you will find the Clownfish icon on the right hand side of your taskbar. But if you don't see it, click on this little arrow and there you find the icon, and then you can right click on it. When you right click on it, you are going to get this menu. So the first thing you are going to do is to set up the app. You are going to head over to setup and then click on system integration. Within system integration, you are going to install the microphone you want to use with this app. Right here you find all the microphones installed on your PC. Click on the install button to install the microphone you want to use. When you are done, click on close. And then you are going to head over to the icon again, right click on it. At the top of the menu, you will see the turn on button, which means that the app is currently off and inactive. So you are going to hit on the turn on option to turn it on. Go back to the icon and hit on the set voice changer option. And right here you have a bunch of different voice effects you can add to your voice.
You can add a male pitch,
A female pitch.
a baby pitch.
You can also make yourself sound like a robot or an alien from space. Down here you can add a custom pitch to your voice. You can silence the effects by hitting on the silence button, and you can have fun over here by mixing different voice effects to hear what they sound like. When you are done, to clear the effects, you can hit on this clear effects button and your voice will return to normal. You can use this app to manipulate your voice on apps like Zoom, Discord, Audacity. Let me show you a quick example on Audacity. Here I am on Audacity. Audacity is a free and open source application that you can use to record and also edit your audio, like removing background noise from your audio. So if you want to learn how to use Audacity, I have a video on this channel that will show you how to use Audacity. Before using Clownfish on this app or any other app, the few things that you want to make sure of are: make sure that Clownfish is on, select the voice effects you want. I'm going to select male pitch, and make sure you are using the same microphone you installed on the Clownfish app, or one of the microphones you installed on the Clownfish app, on the app you want to use Clownfish with, which in this case is Audacity. So I'm going to head over to my input device and select my microphone, and then I am good to go. Now I am going to click on the record button to start my recording. This is a public service announcement. When I listen to the playback,
This is a public service announcement.
That sounds good. I can now export my recording. Hit on the file menu, hover my mouse over the export button, export as MP3, give it a file name, select file location and click on save. So that's it. That is how to use Clownfish Voice Changer app. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. To see more videos like this, do well to support my channel by hitting on that subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.